Ever handed your phone to someone and notice extra settings you don't recognize? If developer options are no longer needed, turning them off can help keep your settings clean and simple. Follow along as I walk you through the process step by step. No technical experience required, just a couple of quick steps. Let's get started. First, take your phone, open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings menu, scroll down to the very bottom. Look for the developer option. Tap on it to open the page. Here you can see all of the options available listed there. If you decide to completely turn off developer option on your phone, simply tap on the main toggle switch at the top and turn it off. After that, hit the back button, and if this thing that says the developer option no longer be available on your settings, this means you have successfully disabled developer option on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more practical Android tutorials, useful smartphone tricks, and easy to follow tech guides that make everyday tasks simpler.